taking a live look here at the Sierra, where a big winter storm is expected to blanket the Lake Tahoe area with feet of snow over the next few days. Being up there is going to be kind of a nightmare. The timing of the storm obviously isn't ideal for businesses either.
In my business, we rent skis, we rent equipment, things like that. We've already had some people moving around their reservations for the weekend, so that's not going to happen.
Yeah, I mean, there'll be plenty of snow to enjoy, but just trying to get to there and back, you can see the CHP, it's just not going to be tenable. The impact to businesses is obviously going to be pretty hard this weekend, but everybody's looking forward to maybe the weekend after as the better weekend to head up there and enjoy all that fresh powder.
Oh yeah. You know, waiting for the lift. Yeah. No, I got it. Oh. Well, that's the worst that happens. Oh! Well, that's the worst that happens. After about, I don't know, 10 minutes looking for my skis, found them. Oh, it's really coming down now. Alright, this looks pretty good. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the White out, baby. Woo. 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 Oh my god. Lay it down on me. Watch it. God damn. Oh my god, dude. B-roll. Josh, you're welcome. Ooh. Ooh. This is ridiculous. Woo, it's deep. Come on! There we go. Oh my god. Whew. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's sick. That will never get old. Oh. Oh! Oh. Oh, yeah. Woo. Woo. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Oh. Tomahawk 0, Mitch 1. I guess I could never ski again after this weekend. It's just all downhill from here.
All right.
That's all. That's it.
Alrighty.